Hello, guys. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's staying safe. Oops, sorry about that. Um, Again, I'm here if you need me. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. I've heard from some of you, not all of you. I'll be reaching out to you and your parents again, probably at the end of this week or maybe at the beginning of next week, depending if I hear from you or not. But we are on week 2, questions 10 through 15. Number 10, what is the constant of proportion? What is the constant of proportionality for each of the following equations? Remember that y equals kx, and k is the constant. So y equals kx. This right here is your constant, okay? So quite simply, when you have an equation like this, when you see y equals blank x, and we're talking about constant proportionality, this figure right here. So on the first one, it's 5. Okay, so y equals negative 10x. Y equals negative 10. Y equals 1/2 x, 1/2. So this one's really simple. If you know this, sorry about that. If you know this equation here, if you know y equals kx, you know that k is your constant. All right. 11, write the following mixed number as an improper fraction. So I'll pause the video now. Try it on your own. Okay. I like to rewrite this to give myself a little bit more space. Okay. So when we're converting what we call a mixed number, we have a whole number, which is our 6, and a fraction. Okay. What first thing we do is we take our whole number, which is the 6, and we multiply it by the denominator. So 6 times 4 is 24. Then we take that and we add the numerator. So 24 plus 1 is 25. And we always keep the denominator. So 25 fourths. Okay? 12. You can go ahead and try that one on your own, how to add 2 decimals. This is very, very simple. All you do is line up the decimals, and add. Okay? So here, you can, so try to add these numbers up yourself. Go ahead and pause the video. Okay, you can do this however you like. I always like to take the bigger number first. It just works a little bit better for my brain. Okay, so decimals lined up here. Now we take this number, okay? To the left of the decimal, I see a 2. And to the right, I see a 4 and a 3, okay? Here, when you have a missing number, just use 0 as a placeholder. So then you just go ahead and add. 3, 7, bring the decimal down. 4, so 14, sorry, and 73 hundredths is your answer. Okay. Does this table show a proportional relationship between x and y? Explain in words your answer. There must be a constant rate between the ratio of h and b. So go ahead and try on your own. Okay, guys, remember the first box is always x, and the second one's always y. So we've been doing this a lot now. Y over x. So 4 over 8 equals 0.5. 3.5 over 7 equals 0.5. And 3 over 6 equals 0.5. Okay? So is it proportional? Are they all the same? Yes. Yes. Because they're is a constant. Rate of change. Pretty simple, guys. You just take y over x. And if it's all the same number, which it is here, it all equals 0.5, there's a constant rate of change. So 14. Determine if the graph shows a proportional relationship. Explain in words your answer. Okay. So go ahead and pause, try. All right, guys, remember we need two things for this to be proportional. It needs to start at the origin, 0, 0. So that is a check. That one works. Then really simple, guys. Remember we go over and we see if we go over 2, up 1. Okay, let's go over 2, up. No, that's not a straight line. See, when it's like this, the line's not straight. The line has to be straight. Now it could be straight like here. It could be straight like this. As long as it's straight, it goes up. It goes for as many as it goes over x, it goes up the same for y. So it goes over 1x and up 3y, over 1x, up 3y, then that's proportional. This is not. So no, there is no constant rate of change. And again, I'm sorry, it is very difficult to write with this. And lastly, guys, during the holiday, lights are everywhere. Target has a strand for 250 lights for $9.99, while Walmart has a strand of 400 lights for $17.97. Which store has the better buy? Show work that explains your answer. Okay, guys. Let me get this out of our way if I can. So we always do. Come on. You always do dollars over unit. Okay. So it's and over is always just kind of division. So you do 9.99 divided by 250. And when you do 9.99 divided by 250, you get, so remember we're talking dollars and cents here. You get 0. It's going to be 2 decimal points. We'll round that to 0.03, 0.4. It's really 0.4 or 0.039. Again, we're never going to talk 3 decimals when we're talking money, so we'd go with this one. 0.04. So then we do the same thing here. We take the dollar amount first, $17.97, and we divide by the 400 lights. And when we do $17.97 divided by 400, that equals 0.044. Okay, again, guys, realistically, they're kind of the same. But we'll say Target because it is less money. But again, guys, I think for that one, really, they are the same price. So again, let me know if you have any questions throughout the week. I am here to help you with anything. Stay healthy, stay safe.